Are you noticing your hair starting to thin out? Or perhaps your hairline is starting to recede a little. In some cases, you might even have a patch of scalp starting to lose more hair than other areas. You are not alone, and it is actually more common than you think. Hair loss can begin for people as early as in their 20s, and often patients tell me that without warning, what was once a full head of hair is suddenly thinning without any reason. Hi, I'm Dr. Harold Ma, and I run a hair and aesthetics clinic called Freia Medical located at Orchard Road. Since 2006, I have been helping patients with all sorts of hair loss issues, with a special interest in hair restoration procedures. Early cases of hair loss are often best treated with topical hairsprays, laser stimulation, as well as oral medication. In suitable cases, they may even require a hair transplant known as follicular unit extraction or FUE hair transplant. If you're struggling with any kind of hair loss, I want to reassure you that there are scientifically proven treatments available today that can help. I know, it's not just about the hair. It's often much more than that. Losing hair is an emotional, often isolating experience. People around you will brush it aside, but it may lead to a loss of confidence, and you may even start to feel frustrated or self-conscious about it. Sometimes it makes you style your hair extra in a bid to try to hide the thinning areas. My patients often tell me that they get very self-conscious if the wind blows or if they went swimming. If your hair is causing you unnecessary worry and stress, you should seek professional treatment early before it's too late. At Freia Medical, we have successfully treated many individuals with pattern hair loss, be it mild or even severe hair loss cases. I'm passionately driven to let people know that hair loss is reversible, and in many cases, total hair loss is entirely avoidable. Over the years, I've gone on national TV, radio and newspapers to share my knowledge and expertise on hair restoration. Apart from that, I also work with Singapore A-Star Research Institute on tracking hair loss in Asia, understanding hair biology, and working with scientists on how to deal with hair loss using novel techniques. If you think you're starting to lose your hair and you want professional help, please hit the Book Now button and set up an appointment with our clinic for a consultation with us. It's never just about the hair, but I completely understand your situation and I am here to help. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to visit my clinic website for more information on getting your hair and your confidence back. See you soon.
I murder feelings I can't fake. Only lovers, but